Good day to my future employer. I am Jonah Duragos from Philippines. I am 42 years old, a college graduate, happily married with 2 children, 22 and 18 years old. I work in Taiwan 2014 to 2018. I take care of a 3-year-old child. I can do simple cooking, marketing, ironing, and household chores. I work in Singapore 2022 to 2025. I take good care of one child, 4 years old, and I help the one elderly for her medications. I have also one dog. I can do simple cookings, laundry, ironing, marketing, and household chores. I am flexible in any day off you will give me. I am honest, willing to learn, and flexible. Thank you.